These hanging pods might look like strange fruits, but you are actually looking at a colony of nature's smartest. When a predator attacks, it gets confused by the fake entrance. It flees, leaving the nest to the snake. It returns to chase the snake away, but it's hopeless. Look at this. What happened? The snake falls for the decoy. 1. The safe entrance, Scretin trance. False entrance, O2. False entrance for predators. The main chamber, O3. Egg and baby place very safe.